What it do, YouTube? Your boy back, finally. Up here in Dallas. Real to real rush me. So I've been running behind, man. There's a lot of stuff I had to do. And I've been procrastinating about coming and doing this and doing that. I'm finally here now, y'all. So my car a little dirty, so you gotta forgive me on that. I washed it, but then again I drove on the back road and it messed it all up. So but anyway, I'm gonna link up with Real to Real, y'all. We can do some videos and stay tuned. I'll be right back.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Down here on the Memphis shit, man.
Yeah, dog. It's a little dirty though. It's a little dirty.
It's alright, so, man. I don't think I do take it through the run through Washington.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
What's up, people, man?
Yeah, appreciate it.
Ready, man.
You straight?
Yeah, man. What you been up to?
Trying to upgrade.
Oh, man. What's up with y'all, man? Real to Real in the building, man. Yeah.
We got the whips out here. Okay. Ah, that's nasty right there. They done cleaned they whips up. Got bloody scat on there. They done cleaned they whips up and everything. I like how they did that. Bloody scat, I like that. Real to real car here. Showing out. Another 392. Bottom one right there. Man, look at that. Oh my God. I should have came prepared, y'all. Man, my car dirty as hell. Got the Hellcat. YouTube, Gabriel Sweat, man. Instagram too, Gabriel Sweat. Man, where you get them rims at? Hold up. No, those stock rims, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you just did something to them. Damn.
Still waiting for my center caps.
They dope. I thought they was aftermarket. No lie.
Still waiting for my center caps, my diffuser.
Okay.
I'm gonna do white tips on the back. I'm gonna do the blue, I'm gonna do blue calipers, like
the blue calipers. Okay, to match the Daytona on the inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, that's dope, man. That be clean. Cause see, when I seen you, I was like, damn, that's another Hellcat. And he told me he knew you. Yeah. I was like, man, that bitch clean. Man, y'all gonna make me go buy one.
All right, man. You said what now?
Huh?
What you saying?
What you mean, man? Hey, your car running.
I the whole different ball game in person, boy.
Man, I'm telling you, boy.
And I didn't put it in track, period.
For real?
No.
Man, that bitch was skating, boy. I was a damn.
No, but I'm good. As long as y'all doing y'all thing, what's your time?
Might be tender, man.
Already. Now let me put mine out. I know I ain't want to be rude to y'all, man. Oh man, you're a little foggy right there. Go and wipe that off with your snow, man. Hey man, but y'all don't know, man. We're in the building, man. I appreciate everybody showing support, showing love, man. My dog just hit 10K on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So we just out here to celebrate. I appreciate y'all. Subscribe to the channel right there that you're watching right now. Hit that like button. So now you see.
Lit outside.
Yeah, man, this the shop. You know what I'm saying? This our shop, our St. Fred. It's coming together. You know, we get it all together. You know, I'm the rim man. These are my rims and tires and stuff like that. We got the computers up. You see it with the audio check going on right now. We got the TV up. Yeah. We getting it together, ain't it? Ain't it, Mom? We getting it together. We getting it together. Yeah, I'm